What's going on, guys? It's Nick, CEO and founder of Rival Consultants. And today I'm going to go ahead and let you guys in on a little secret on how you can get certain derogatory items removed off your credit report. Works for different lending institutions as well. We're going to go ahead and get into it. So we're going to talk about LinkedIn, which is the Facebook for business people. A lot of times people don't utilize LinkedIn as a means of contact. They'll go ahead and they'll say, write a letter to, the CEO or the CFO or the COO. Hit them up on LinkedIn. Send them a message. Be as polite, as professional as possible. Whatever it was, whatever situation is. You disputed derogatory items. For example, so you have an identity theft matter, and Equifax doesn't want to remove it. Go ahead and inbox somebody of power, because obviously that's a clear lawsuit. You literally done everything that you could possibly do. You sent in letters, affidavit, police report, and you even contacted the CEO directly, or the COO directly, and the problem still hasn't been solved. Like, come on. Just different things like that you guys need to go ahead and learn to utilize. Different strategies and tactics. A lot of people don't talk about. This is probably the biggest secret out there. They'll say, write a letter, call, this, that, and other. Man, send them a message on LinkedIn. And I can almost guarantee you that if they don't respond to something or with something, that's grounds for like a lawsuit if you've been disputing something. You know what I mean? Just really want to put you guys on a quick game, and really let you guys think the different methods that you can use to dispute derogatory items off your credit report. So other than that, guys, you have a good one. Have a blessed one. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll be back with some more videos. Thank you.